love stuffed mushroom peppers. Stuffed peppers.
I love stuffed peppers.
My brother makes the best stuffed peppers. He puts cheese in the bottom of them.
Yeah.
Before he puts anything else in them, he bakes them for a few seconds. Then puts the stuff in them, then puts cheese in the top, then bakes it again.
Yeah.
Oh, the cheese just blows
down
up.
it, yeah.
It melts off. I don't like anything hot. I just hate hot things. It just burns my lips and
I don't like, no, you know, like spaghetti sauce and stuff. I want spicy, but not so spicy that it burns.
Well, I don't feel, this is so comfortable right now.
Oh, they're making good time. Come on, Andrew, get it open. Yes!
What's the time?
Minute. Get it shut, get it shut. Yay, 1:05.
Wow, they keep beating everybody's time. Aw, buddy. Come here.
See, I told you they were getting better.
Look at this puppy.
Oh.